is another beautiful leaf. Look at this. So attractive and elegant. So bushy. I have two plants. They are all in small pots. Look. Beautiful leafy plants. We all love adding different types of plants. Some are hardy plants, some are different air purifier plants. Sometimes we add beautiful leafy plants in our gardens. Beautiful leafy plants attract our eye. They are eye-catching, and also these plants are really very elegant looking. We always love to see. We love seeing different types of plants. So make sure to watch this video until the end, because I have added some beautiful list of plants which are so colorful and also give an elegant look to your garden. So stay tuned to Tamara's garden. Look at these beautiful croton plants. There are many varieties. I only have these 2 or 3 types. I do have these type of crotons which I have added, and they are in pots, medium-sized pots, and see how beautiful and colorful they are. These plants are very easy to grow, low maintenance and permanent plants. Such hardy plants, they will grow in any weather condition, and also these plants are ideal for a beginner. This is triangular variegated ficus. Look at this plant. That is also such a beautiful variegation leafy plant. Ideal for your entrance or your home, because this is a feng shui plant too. Next to it I have this beautiful syngonium plant. That is also very beautiful in variegation. And I have this pandanus plant. They are also very hardy plants and easy to grow, low maintenance and permanent. They will grow in any weather condition. No need to water every day. Such a hardy plant. I have this lipstick aglaonema plant. Look at the baby plants growing under the same pot. So I can divide and make free plants also. They are very colorful. Look at these beautiful Aralia plants. I have 2 varieties. This is one variety, and it's really very growing healthily. These days are raining and I can see the difference in the plant. So pretty. And also this is another variety of the Aralia plant. It's tall and you can grow it with stems. This is also another beautiful variegated leafy plant. This is the umbrella plant, friends. This is also such a beautiful colorful leafy plant. This is beautiful Dracaena plant. And also under the same pot I have some other Dracaena plants growing. As you can see, this is another huge syngonium pot. And look at these leaves. It's a huge tree. We call it as karanda. It's a medicinal tree. It gives shade to my garden. So this is prayer plant, another beautiful plant. Its leaves have this shade. It looks like a peacock feather. Look at this. So beautiful. This is also a variety of Dracaena. Look at the shades. And here is Song of India. It's a small plant. Look at this plant. This is also another colorful plant. This plant I brought from a friend of mine, and I put a small stem, and now it is grown very beautifully. Never used any fertilizer for this plant, but look at the variegation, so beautiful. This is Chinese French plant. It's also a very beautiful leafy plant. So green and huge, and also low maintenance. Look at the bird nest plant. I made a small money plant corner with the varieties I have. Look at this golden pothos. Then I have this neon pothos. All the varieties, marble queen pothos, all are there. I put some small cuttings. Now they are growing well. It's a rainy season here. Beautiful colorful spider plants. They are also so elegant and attractive. Beautiful leafy plant, these pedilanthus, low maintenance and permanent, no need of fertilizer. I have many spider plants, friends. Flame violet plants, I have these two varieties. And here are some other syngonium plants, dwarf syngonium and pink syngonium in the same pot. And another beautiful leaf. Look at this. So attractive and elegant, so bushy. I have two plants. They are all in small pots. Look, yellow leaves are reasons due to the exposure of too much of rain. These days we are getting too much of rain. These are some cuttings of wandering Jew. Looks so colorful and beautiful. Variety of philodendron. This is in a hanging pot. Another beautiful philodendron plant. This also in a medium sized pot. I put a small cutting only, now the plant is so huge. This is the snow white plant. Look at the variegation. Beautiful leaves. This is also another beautiful lindo plant. You can keep it in the shade. These are bamboo plants. You can grow them from stems, either in water or in direct soil. These are all Coleus varieties. I put small cuttings and now they are very huge. You can do pinching at the top to promote growth. So these are also shade loving plants. Today I have shown in my video most of the plants that are shade loving plants, also permanent and also low maintenance. This is an herb plant. You can put a small cutting in small planters, either DIY. These are beautiful variegated leafy plants, also low maintenance, but keep in the shade. You love adding golden color, this is another suggestion. Beautiful philodendron. These plants are low maintenance, cut from any stem which has the nodes appearing in the plant, so that you can put them in water or else in soil. You can propagate them easily, low maintenance plants. So friends, in today's video I have shown you many varieties of variegated beautiful colorful leafy plants for our garden. Most of them are indoor plants and also some of them are outdoor plants. These plants you can keep in the outdoor garden as well. If you have them in a shade, if you have kept it outdoors, or else if you have kept them indoors, these plants will lovely. You will see how elegant they are and also will grow so healthily. So stay tuned to my channel for more upcoming gardening videos. If you love my videos, don't forget to give it a big like and share it with your family and friends. Thank you.